2, we are just going to pick up right where we left off. We just have a few more pieces to go in this Faves for sale. I believe this is video 4, part 2 though. So let's look at this. I'm obsessed. I just am. I love it. I think it's hilarious and so unique. The tooth medal for bravery at the dentist. Medal of Honor. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. This is $15, my friends. Yuppers. Yes, it is. Let's look at these. These are acrylic, but they're heavy. They're not like a thin hollow bead. So know that. Not as heavy as glass, but heavier than regular, just cheapy plastic. They have a gunmetal finding and hooks on them. These are everything. I absolutely love these. And they are going to be $4. Then let's look at these. These are very detailed. They are in beautiful condition. Just like new. There are no stones missing. Whoops. These are glass. Yeah, all glass pieces in here. These are a beautiful, lovely, quality pair of earrings, and these are going to be $5.50. All right, let's look at these hilariously adorable little fish earrings. These are on posts. Yes. That's all. Just yes. I love these. These are going to be $7. Yep, they are. Because they're super fun and super unique, and they're vintage. $7. I'm sorry, just had to do it. These are, I bought them individually. They're supposed to be sapphire, corundum. I don't know. But we can look at them closely. They have matte gold findings. These are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful faceted natural stones. Whatever the stone may actually be. I love them. These are going to be $5, which I don't even know if that covers what I paid for them with shipping and tax. But oh well, deal for you. And look at these pearlescent little Cinderella Barbie shoes. Yeah. Absolutely love these. Super sweet. These are $5. All right, let us look at our pretty pastel little faux pearl set. Or not set. If you don't want both, that's fine with me too. The findings on this are in perfect condition. It is a lovely little graduated pearl and pink, white, and blue. It is a good 8.5 inches. Let's see. Yep, that's just about 8 3/4. Dang, I'm good. These are glass, very well made and in perfect condition. These are going to be $5.50. And then these super sweet little earrings, they are the little posts with little chain dangles. And there are 5 sweet little faux pearls on each one. These are going to be $3.50. But if you want both, I will do the set for $8. Alrighty, Look at these little slices of heaven. Adorable little natural shell mother of pearl hearts. Just cute little dangle earrings. Absolutely adorable. These are going to be $3. And let's look at these. Modern, but again, oh my gosh, like look at these. This one is twisted. The backs, yes, are also patterned. These are very, very, very well made earrings. They're heavy. I don't see a brand on them, but they're not just some cheapy fashion earrings. I mean, even the backs are detailed. These are absolutely amazing. And they are going to be $7 for these adorable little pansies. So cute. All right, you guys, look at these. I love them. I just do. Beautiful little faceted round crystal hoops. Sorry, I thought they were a little bent or something. It's just my eyes. They're just messy. Super sweet, adorable, $3.50. Who doesn't want these? Again, boopy doop. All right. Some little pieces of vintage heaven. These are adorable little buttercup yellow flower earrings with heart dangles. Yes. Just yes. That's all. These are so pretty. They are going to be $5.50. These enameled pieces are so incredibly detailed. They're very heavy, very well made, very unique. I love these. These are going to be $4.50. These super sweet little rice pearls. They are also on posts with little dangles, little freshwater pearls. Super sweet. $4 for the pair. All right, let's look at these little roses. And by little, I mean ginormous. These are great quality, very well made piece. These are glass and metal beads with these beautiful gold tone roses. Beautiful blush color. These are going to be $4.50. And then these little shell chips, super sweet, perfect condition, little vintage earrings. They will go with this bracelet, a puka shell necklace, this necklace. They're adorable. These are going to be $2.50. These funky earrings I absolutely love. They are so boho. These glass beads and fuchsia sequins on them with wood beads. So pretty. These are $4. And we have this vintage beauty. Again, in perfect condition with these beautiful glass, swirled glass baby blue hearts on them. This is very unique. Very pretty. This is $7.50. And we have, whoops, these beautiful dark teal, super cute hook earrings. I love these. These are going to be $4. Then look at these. That is a Hindu It's not the elephant. And it has boobs, so I think it's a woman. Very cool, very unique. Oops, there you go. Look at these. These are going to be $7.50 because these are a pair I'd rather just keep. And then let us finally look at this. Beautiful condition, real coral, adorable little necklace. This is a good 7.5 inches. I love it. This is going to be $7.50. We have these little coral chip earrings to go with it. These will be $4, or I will do both for $10. And finally, these. Look at these. Notice the gold posts. I'm going to test these because I think they might be gold. Look at the backs. They're very heavy, especially for what they are. Very cool. I will test them. If they're not gold, these are still going to be $8. And if they are, we'll have to discuss a price because they will go up from there. And that, my friends, is the end of part 2, video 4 in the Faves for Sale series. If you're interested in anything, email me at haliesjewelryandmore@gmail.com. That's HALIES jewelryandmore@gmail.com, all one word. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite piece was in the comments, and I'll talk to you all soon. Thanks. Bye.